Hello my dear subscriber and viewers, welcome back to Akshita 2023 channel. I got approval for joint membership benefit. So those channels are very professional or viewers is less. Those people can utilize this joint membership benefit. Actually this is additional revenue, and I got this opportunities from the YouTube. So those who are wants to join to my channel as a membership, please you can join. This is not compulsory, but this is your willingness, your interest. Those who are wants to join, you can join. But those who are joining to my channel as a membership, so those people I am giving some perks, like 4 levels I have divided: bronze 59, and priority replies, then live chat reply, then silver 89 rupees on yearly access to new videos and priority reply to comments, then live chat for membership, then golden level 599, then exclusive membership only videos like CPC question videos, billing questions, other notes related to CPC exams, all videos, or I can send these materials through mail also. Then the finally is golden level and 1199. In this level I will offer you like a CPT ICD soft copy. Those who are membership in golden level, so those people I can send you the soft copy of CPT and ICT book. Okay guys, this is just for your awareness. There is a option for membership to my channel, and if anyone wants, please utilize. And another one, I got approval like thanks, super thanks. So those who wants to support to my channel or to appreciate my effort, those can buy super thanks and send, and its cost starts from 40 rupees. Then it's unlimited. Those who wants to appreciate or support to channel, you can buy in, send whatever amount you can. So that's up to you, and this is the both, it's not compulsory. So usual videos I will post for public, so everyone can see. Apart from that videos, for memberships I am offering these things. And that's it guys. So this is not compulsory, just I got both approval for super thanks and membership also. So this is for additional revenue for me. Those who have less views in videos, they have given, and those who have professional videos, they have approved for these things. So those who wants to utilize these things, please you can do it. And that's it guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye.